the grace of God, there's construction happening above. This is how perfect life is. We can relax regardless of the chaos all around us. We're in charge. We're in charge of where we place our focus. I place my focus right now on appreciating this beautiful rose against my body. I place my focus right now on appreciating how soft my skin is, how much love I feel in my heart. And it's okay if there's hammering going on above me. I accept it all. I embrace it all. And this is what Tantra is all about. It's not about trying to change things. It's about accepting things. And it's about seeing the perfection in every moment. Every moment offers us an opportunity to come back to love. And so if you're angry at someone, if you're avoiding something or someone, come back to love. We thrive when we love. We're meant to love. We're not meant to be angry at people. We're not meant to be angry at ourselves. It stagnates us. It slows down how efficient we can heal. And so I'm really grateful for this music that I'm playing that my friend Emmanuel Burton made. He's from London. He created this music for me to share with you all. And I'm so grateful for this beautiful rose that grew so that I could be featuring it in this video. And I'm so grateful for this beautiful cherry blossom rendition of Van Gogh's Cherry Blossoms in pink. And I'm really grateful to have shared a little window of what I love to do with myself. My self-love, self-massage, sacred, sensual, self-care experience. Some of us have never been touched so sweetly. And so if you'd like to learn more, how to let down your guard, how to just blast open your heart and let go of that protective layer, reach out to me, schedule a breakthrough call. I would love to teach you the magical work that I share with my clients in person and via Zoom. And there's an upcoming retreat coming and live events. So just click down below and get all the details. And let me know how you love this song. It's called Peace. Peace out, everybody.